Documentation Assistant Copilot is built using Microsoft Plan Design. This solution demonstrates how AI simplifies biofuel compliance by organizing documentation, summarizing evidence, and clearly placing audit readiness. Biofuel Compliance and Documentation Assistant follows a simple AI first design approach. Instead of manually reviewing large volumes of documentation, intelligence is embedded directly into the compliance workflow. Copilot interprets evidence, highlights gaps, and maintains a clear audit trail automatically. The design begins with a clear definition of compliance, quality, and sustainability requirement. These requirements are entered into the plant design, which acts as the architectural backbone, and then outlines the process for the system design, components, roles, data model, and technology stack. The key processes are document evidence in ingestion linking, AI evidence interpretation, summarization and gap detection, audit trail, governance and compliance review, monitoring and continuous compliance improvement. The roles are production supervisor, auditor, quality assurance specialist, compliance manager. The plan design then has mapped these processes with a set of tables where the data is going to be stored, and then technology stack has been created. So as you can see, for each process, the apps and agents has been mapped. I will now show you the first app, which is Compliance Management Dashboard. This is a model driven application. As you can see, the system manages the documentation for the compliance and capturing evidence. So I have different sets here: batches, audit trails, and then I have evidence sets, compliance documents, quality records, sustainable evidence, and compliance summary. So I can go into each sector, create a new document, or edit an existing one. Using this model driven application, I can download the data, run the flow, and then create charts as and when required and email it. This is one of the app that we've created for this purpose. The next app is Batch Readiness Monitor. How do we monitor the readiness? So here you are in the Batch Readiness Monitor. This is a Canvas application that we have created for this purpose. This is the dashboard. You see different screens here. So let me go into the batch screen, for example. Here are the existing batches we have created. You can create your own new batch and your production deadline and the compliance if it is ready or not. And then similarly, there are other screens that you can use to upload your evidence, upload your compliance document. This will be monitored by the reviewer or the production support team. The quality records we have and sustainable evidence. You can create your own records or edit it. This app is for the production supervisor, batch supervisor. And we have created one more Canvas app as per the design, which is quality evidence upload. So here we are in a similar Canvas application where only evidences are being uploaded. This is for the testing purpose. Quality assurance team will upload the evidence and the compliance document, have they met or not, and the record qualities and all the quality related evidence are uploaded here. As you can see, there are different screens: sustainability evidence, batches, quality record, compliance document, and evidence set. Using this Canvas application, the data can be inputted by the technician and the supervisors can have a look. For this design model, as you've seen before, we had an agent which was created. The suggested agent was also created, yeah, which is Compliance Evident Copilot. So now I'm inside the agent, and what you're seeing is the test simulation of the agent. So it says, I'm a compliance evident copilot. How can I help? I'll ask it, give me a summary of quality evidence. Let's see what it does. So it is trying to retrieve the data. This agent is built on top of the table. So the data model, the tables that we saw, is a base for all these three apps that we've seen before and for this agent. So how we have designed this agent is, it is always grounded by the data. It doesn't refer to external data. So as you can see, it has given me the report and it has given me the grounding information from where it has concluded the analysis point of view. Right? Then let me ask about the batches. Now it is fetched from the quality record table. When I ask about batch details, it is giving me the most recent batches, evidence set, and all the batch related details. And the grounding information is evidence set. So we have seen three application, and we go back to the design. So this is something we saw: compliance management dashboard, quality evidence we have seen, and then batch readiness also we saw. And this is a site that we have created uh, using Power Pages, which gives us similar information. And then this is the agent that you just saw, and the underlying flow is working. Alerting flow, which will be sending email, and the reports are incorporated into the application. So you will be able to see everything working in sync. So without the approval workflow and everything, this will work. So biocompliance and documentation assistant has created all the application and agent which we saw just now. It is ready for audit. Visibility, traceability, predictability is all easier and better managed by the teams.